Welcome to the University of Calgary Health Sciences Library tutorials. This session will discuss how to find systematic reviews. Cochrane systematic reviews are the gold standard. Diligently updated, teams at Cochrane are committed to the dissemination of evidence-based medicine findings. Before undergoing a research project, it's always worth checking to ensure your topic hasn't already been done by Cochrane. The Cochrane database of systematic reviews can be found in our Ovid database collection. From the Health Sciences Library homepage, select Medline and then change the resource to the Cochrane database of systematic reviews. While the interface looks the same as Medline, the Cochrane database of systematic reviews do not use medical subject headings. Therefore, it's all keyword searching, which requires the user to search for spelling variances, use truncation, as well as Boolean operators such as AND or. So let's try this. Here's our question. Do telehealth services impact emergency department visits by patients with chronic disease? First, we'll break down our question into the PICO format. Our P stands for patient, problem, or population. And in this question, it's patients with chronic disease. The I stands for intervention, which is telehealth, but we can call it telemedicine or telehealth care. We're not comparing this to anything, but our outcome is looking at emergency department visits. So the first thing that you'll want to do is point your browser to the library homepage, which is library.ucalgary.ca/HSL. On the Health Sciences Library homepage, you'll then go under Major Resources and select Medline. Here we can see that we're in Ovid Medline. However, we need to get to Cochrane, so we need to change the resource. Right above the title, we'll select Change. And then here we will select EBM Reviews, the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews. So go ahead and select that box, and then in the bottom right-hand corner, select Resources. Alright, now we'll use our PICO format to create the search strategy. Our patient population or problem was chronic disease. We're going to truncate that so that we get chronic disease as well as chronic diseases. And we're also looking at this from an emergency room or emergency department context. So the next thing we'll do is look for emergency department. We'll truncate that again so that we get the plural. Another way that we can look at this is to call it emergency room. And we'll truncate that as well. The next thing that we need to do is use a Boolean operator. We need to tell the database that we're interested in finding articles on emergency departments or emergency rooms. So we will combine line 2 and 3 with OR. Finally, let's explore telehealth. We can look up telemedicine, telehealth, or even telehealth care. Again, like we did with emergency department and emergency room, these terms are synonymous with each other, so we're going to tell the database that we will take any of these terms that appear in the literature. So we'll take line 5, line 6, line 7, and combine it with OR. On the right-hand side of the page, you can see this red sign that says Expand. Click that to see the full strategy. The last part of our strategy is to make all of these sections of our PICO work together to get articles that we're looking for. So let's combine chronic disease with line 4, which is about the emergency department or emergency room, and then line 8, which discusses telehealth or telemedicine. Instead of selecting or, we'll select and so that we find papers with all of these components within. And we receive 9 results. Scrolling down, we can take a look and then select the red and gold Find a SFX button for full text. This concludes the tutorial on using Cochrane database of systematic reviews. For more information or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at library.ucalgary.ca/HSL.